We had this story in our mind, what's the perfect vehicle to go to Yellowstone Park in the 1960s? We selected the Wagoneer. We found it like everybody else does. We searched for months on Craigslist. It was in very, very good condition, but well worn and smelly. We kept the original frame, but stiffened it up. Changed the suspension to a coilover with Dana 44s front and rear. Larger brakes, larger wheels. We crafted it around this 33-inch tire. We do get a lot of stares. They just want to buy it. I get asked all the time, will we make one? And that's not the business we're in. I just like that we're stirring up those old memories.